Okay. Your foot motor in the BG10 is going to be in this compartment right here. Now, to get into this compartment, you have to move all the other covers to get to it. You got 2 screws here and here to remove the exhaust grill. Right, underneath it, you've got a screw. You got one in each corner here and one down here. Center screw, upper corner screw, now that'll let you take the main cover off. Now you need to get into this compartment here. You've got screw here, screw here, screw here. Remove those screws. Now you can get into the foot motor compartment. This is your foot motor. This is your foot motor circuit board. All right, now if you're replacing the foot motor, what you want to do is rotate your carriage assembly out of the machine. You've got 3 screws on the side cover. You'd have to remove the belt. This cover lets you into the belt compartment. To remove the belt, just turn it while pulling outward, and the belt will walk off the pulleys. So there's your belt. Now we need to remove the carriage assembly from the unit. Take a straight screwdriver. Right here on this side you have a pin held in place by an E-clip. Work your screwdriver into one of the notches on the E-clip and gently pry the clip off. Be careful not to shoot it across the room because you won't find it. And there's your E-clip. Right out of side. Now push the pin out of the unit. Rotate your carriage assembly out again. Work it to the left. Now, get it off the pivot points here and the one on the motor. Now to remove the motor, you have 2 screws holding the motor in, one here, one here. Remove those screws. Now you'll be able to remove your motor from your unit. Just unplug your wires. You got a brown wire, a white wire, and your ground. And your ground wire is marked with the ground symbol. Okay. If you're replacing a motor, the new motor will not come with this bushing. So you have to take this bushing off your old motor and reuse it on your new motor. Also, there's an O-ring under the bushing. Just remove that from your old motor. And there's the 2 parts you're going to save off of your old motor. Now when you're installing a new motor, just put your O-ring over the motor shaft. Seat it against the housing on the machine, on the motor. And your bushing's got 4 small pins which line up with these threaded holes. Slide your bushing over your motor shaft and just rotate it till those pins lock into those threaded holes. Now, putting the machine back, or the motor back in the machine, put your ground wire toward the bottom. Your 2 motor leads will be one in the back, one in the front. Just reconnect your wires. Brown wire, which is your longest wire, will go to the front. The white wire, which is a shorter wire, goes to the rear, and your ground wire goes to your ground post. Okay. and you just reinstall the machine, motor in the machine. Now you got 2 holes on the bottom of the machine, of the motor, and you want to use the hole towards the center of the machine. Add your second screw on the top. Now if you're replacing your circuit board just slides in. 2 little notches, holds it in place inside the machine housing. Now if you're replacing the circuit board, slide the circuit board out. You got a plug-in with 4 wires. Pull the tab outward to unlock it. Unplug your power cord from your circuit board. Install your new circuit board. Just plug the 4-wire connector back in. Push till it clicks. Insert the circuit board back in the machine, and you're ready to put your covers back on.